I would like to introduce our chairman, sir, Mr. Vijay Kumar. सर गुड मॉर्निंग सर मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ कि आज का जो ओपन हाउस के साथ साथ
इसमें एक नयापन ये रहा गार्जियन और सबको एक साथ बुला PTM हो गया, टीचर से मिलना हो गया गार्जियन का, बच्चों ने मॉडल्स देख लिए, बच्चों का मॉडल देख लिए, बच्चों ने भी अपने मॉडल का
Myself Lakshmikant Bhoi, PGD. I am teacher at Jindal Adarsh Gram Bharati, Kirodi Nagar, Rayagad. As you know, today we are conducting open house program and the disclosure of P3 examination. Taking this sequence forward, I would like to introduce very dynamic personality, our principal sir, Mr. Satish Kumar Pandey. Today we know from him the idea and opinion of curriculum regarding our institutions. My question is that, sir, how do you manage the dual curriculum in your institute, and what is your strategy for quality education?
Okay, very good morning to all our viewers, and thank you Lakshmikant for asking such a nice question. Generally it has been defined and to be sense of understanding the meaning of the dual curriculum. When the viewers are observing the question regarding to dual curriculum, I would like to just elaborate one of the certain thing. What is the meaning of the dual curriculum? If I just elaborate and try to give the answer of your nice question, when the institution started 35 years before, the management is Vijay Kumar Agarwal and along with the team member of the Adarsh Bharati Shiksha Samiti Kirodi, they try to just civics and the seed of education to just grown up in the institution. At that time, the scenario of education was very dull and poor, and most of the parents, they do not have the option to just get their part to be get admitted in other institution, I will be by the government school. And government school did not have such a facility to give a better education atmosphere. Since that, the chairman along with the open the institution, and after that they started from the certain classrooms. You may say from the 1 or 2 classrooms they started the education. And after completing the journey of 35 years, the education becomes fast shape of the buildings, fast shape of education scenario at the level of region at Tirumala. And after that, it has been expanded from the 3 of the buildings, namely is the Gyanat building, Siddharth building, and Vidyarth building. And we have opportunity to run the dual curriculum as the questions have been asked by you. Means of the dual curriculum, so we are made by the CGBSE. Generally, it is said to be state board. And one of the curriculum is said to be CBSE, Central Board of the Secondary Education. And few years back, if I just count, around about 3 or 4 years before, we have started to just think it seriously, why should not we give the better facility to the people of the surround who are searching the better education of their wards. Then the institution started to just give the serious attention towards their request and the requisites. And after taking the meeting of the Memorial Assembly, we decided to let us run the CBSE also. And I would like to just point out to one of the certain thing. In 2007, the institution of English medium had to start from the nursery classes, and after completing the journey of the 12 years, it became the higher secondary level of the class 12 CGBSE. And 3 or 4 years before, luckily we got in 2019, we opened the CBSE affiliated institution. The affiliation number was 3330416. It is the CBSE affiliation number. In website we have published all the information and guidelines, and you can say all the details to know the public also. And when we speak about the state board, we have the opportunity and privilege to run both the boards. This is the CBSE and CBSE in both the mediums. That is the matter to be underlined: Hindi medium and English medium. And if we speak about the Hindi medium, the affiliation number is 352010. And in the English medium, affiliation number is 352530. And in CBSE already I have told 3330416. So these are the data which I want to place to my audience also to check up it. And after that we started to just curriculum of the CGBSE and CBSE. Now question is that how would balance? Thing is that according to norms and conditions of the CBSE, we are very minutely observing all the necessary instructions and guidelines from the CBSE board, Central Board of the Secondary Education. And after that we implemented it. But if you filter the better pedagogy from the state board also, it is really very beneficial for the sake of the students. So students have the opportunity to get the better opportunity from the education level, and we are implementing the better atmosphere to the student of the CBSE and CGBSE respectively. And the students are getting the beneficial after getting all kind of the curriculums. And we balance it, and we are having the 3 buildings and the different according to different curriculum. This is the Vidyarth building. It has the nursery to standard 12 of the CBSE, and similarly we have the 2 more buildings. It is namely the Siddharth building, which is running in Hindi medium, nursery to standard 12 in Hindi medium. And since last we have the CGBSE of English medium, it is running with the Gyanat medium, nursery to standard 12. So these are the situation and these are the status, and we bifurcated the education level for all the kind of the students. But basically, if you just think it, we are giving a better atmosphere to students in all the categories, according to adapting the better pedagogy by the students, by the teachers, and to even the learners also. So we are planning better ways to implement both the boards simultaneously, and equally weighted all the students who are studying surrounded by the area of the Jidar Abasgam Party, who are studying in the conservative buildings. So these are the things I would like to just elaborate it. And definitely we are getting a good response, and time to time we are just acknowledge the things and calling the parents also for giving all the kind of sort of information which is the necessity for you can say the implementation of any kind of the new pedagogy. So parents are also responding, they are cooperating, and I am very happy to say that even the management is also taking increasing steps for betterment of institution, as well the frequently guidelines for the teachers also. So now the situation has come in the surrounded by the Tirunelveli level, our institution becomes one of the best institutions. It is privileged to say that my institution is one of the biggest and it is the highest level of the education sector.
we hear the opinion regarding curriculum of our principal. This is very good opinion. My next question is, sir, apart from traditional curriculum, what is the different other curriculum which are helpful for our student for their development?
Okay. It is also very nice question. Generally, it is said the wind of the traditional education. First, I would like to explain about the wind of the traditional education. Generally, what happens, if you just go through the entire memory, when the students are 10 or 15 years before, when the students were in any of the certain classes, what was happening? The teachers used to take the textbook, enter inside the classroom, and turn the pages, and then start to just explaining the things and elaborate on the green board of the particular and consequently just they have the question answer of the students to whether they understood or not, and lastly the teachers are supposed to give the homework to students. So this is the one by the traditional way of teaching methodology. But nowadays all the education scenario has been slightly and vastly changed. Now the teachers have the innovative ideas and they are adopting the new education, this pedagogy also, and they are making the good strategy for developing teaching skill. And there are the several types of the teaching methodology and pedagogy. I am just observing it is student-based, learner-based, BAT nowadays new education policy, new education scenario has been developed, and digital-based, and you can say the learning methodology. And the teachers are trying to elaborate all the new pedagogy methodology to implement it for betterment of institution and even the student also. The students are learning a lot by adopting the, you can say, the learning by doing methodology. So it is one kind of the new invention or new skill of education scenario to the teachers also. And time to time we are just giving the guidelines, we are just motivate the teachers, we are just develop the skill into them, and time to time we are just having the workshop for that. And since that, a lot of change has been observed nowadays. So apart from the traditional way, there are several methodology, several strategy by the teachers to elaborate the students, and definitely students are getting the advantage of those things also. It is very good scenario nowadays. I am observing students are very serious, concentrate, and you can say the prompt, and honestly they are adopting the education scenario to all where the teachers are putting their best pedagogy and art methodology as you told. It is apart from the traditional way. So these are the things, and definitely I am proud to say my teachers are doing better and students are responding well and good.
Thank you, sir. Here nation sir opinion according to traditional or non-traditional curriculum. So my next question is, sir, how do you manage and create a good atmosphere in your institution, and what is your guidance to our teaching department also?
Okay. That is also the very good question. If we just recall your memory, every year institution used to give the slogan, and when we speak about the slogan of our institution, recently we have just released one of the slogan at this academic session 2022 and 23, socialist tutelage and implicit and acquisition of education. It reflects the dual responsibility by the teachers and for the students. You can say the pedagogical leaders and learners. So if we speak about the giving the best education policies by the teachers to the students, so we cannot just fulfill our desire unless we just get ready to give the better education atmosphere to the students. So it is very necessary when we speak about the new change of any kind of education policies or any kind of education scenario to the institution. Definitely the responsibility, liability of student is also that much of the level as the teachers are trying to acquire their knowledge to be ahead of the students. So both the responsibility are quite equally important. The responsibility, liability of the teachers and the duty of the students. So both are doing very efficiently, and you can say parallel and smooth to get the level of education scenario to this culminating point also. So if you just analyze these things, so it is already observed that the institution wanted to just give the better education atmosphere to the students. It is not only because of making the effort by the management, even it is voluntary come from the teacher side also. And the students are getting advantage. The students are very curious to understand, curious to elaborate, curious to just make one kind of a better relation with the teachers and students also. And when I just speak about the education, the meat of education are the four strongest pillars: students, teachers, parents, and education the contents. And nowadays the management also you can say. So by effort of this all five pillars, we give the better definition of the education. So these are the things nowadays in the institution of Jindal Adarsh Party, all three buildings, we can say the Jnana, Shiksha and Jindal respectively. We are having the advantage by giving the perfect guidance by the management, taking the liability by the teachers, taking the duties of the students. In this way, we are creating a good atmosphere. Now the student begins to fast to learn, and the learners are also obedient, and they are adopting the all you can say the best policies, and you can say the best methodology for the teachers also. So these are the creations we have to start to develop into the teachers as well the students also. So if you just calculate all the scenario right from the level of the 0 till 100%, if you analyze the different of the categories you find, definitely institutions are doing better. And I am proud to say our Jindal Adarsh Bharti Institute Rodmalaga is one of the largest education institutions, not only the region of this Rodmalaga, even the district of the Rajad also. Because we have the privilege to run both the board CBSE and CBSE. So these are the things, and that's why we become the one of the major family of the institution of the Jindal Adarsh Bharti family, holding the 3,300 of the students, and around about 200 of the faculties are there. So such a big responsibility we are having because of the trust and belief by the parents also. So we are going to fulfill the desire by the parents also, and we are adopting all the responsibility, and we are obeying all the instructions from the DO also, the district education officer, the government of the Chhattisgarh, from the Department of Education, and from the guidelines from the management, teamwork by the teachers, by collaboration of each other, even by taking the enthusiasm and energetic level of the students and cooperation from the parents. So we are getting all the blessings from the Almighty God also, since that the institution is going to do very, very good. And I presume and I hope in future also we will prove ourselves to we are the best, not only in the part of the rest, but even the other level of scholastic and non-scholastic development also. I just hope all the parents will give the same kind of the blessing and cooperation till the education level is to be achieved by us. Definitely the atmosphere of this surround will be very pleasant and hopeful. It will be peaceful, and it will be very appropriate and proportionate for our institution as well. So these are the things I would like to just tell, and I would like to thanks to all the viewers also for getting, and I expect we will receive the same cooperation in future ahead also. Thank you, and may God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your explanation and opinion for all the topics like curriculum, like our organization, like our school campus, like our school studies, like our teachers. Sir, very, very thank you, sir. Your guidance, your opinion helpful to us, our students, and it will take in future our school do very well in education.
Thank you, Lakshmikant, for our introduction, and hope all the parents, all the guardians, all that by dear and nearest, they will also help and cooperate for 100% of enthusiasm, energy, for make our institution to reach them the culminating point by acquiring the high level of scholastic and non-scholastic activity, as it has been reflected, and it is when it is still observing in all the moments when we speak about the curriculum of upgradation, or you can say that any kind of these activities, or ceremonial activities, house activities, or cultural activity, or sports activity, yoga, NCN, all the activities which is circulated and guided by the government of the Chhattisgarh or the central board of the this Delhi also. So we are just trying to give the equal weightage and parallel smooth conduction of both the boards, and for benefit of the students, and as well you can say that by cooperation of the parents also. definitely I would like to thanks to my management also for keeping the keen observation for improvement of education. Thank you, Lakshmikant, for asking such question. Thank you, and may God bless you once more.
I would like to introduce our treasurer, sir, Mr. Pranay Kumar. Sir, I would like to ask some question regarding financial plans of. Sir, how do you manage your financial plan for such a big institution?
See, I am a chartered accountant by profession, so this is not a very big deal for me to manage the finance of such an organization. I have studied, I have spent 4 to 5 years of my life doing that. It is not very difficult for me and I can manage it very simply.
Sir, what type of problem you face during such type of making financial plans?
One problem we face is that timely payment of fees, especially in this area of Torimanala. We have noticed that priority of students teaching in our school, especially priority of their parents, we find that their priority is not their student studies. बच्चों की पढ़ाई उनके लिए उनकी प्रायोरिटी नहीं है. उनकी और प्रायोरिटियाँ दूसरी हो जाती हैं, जैसे कोई फेस्टिवल आ गया तो वो हो गया, फिर कुछ मतलब शादी हो गई या और भी वगैरह वगैरह जो मतलब मोस्टली इंडिया में जो रिजल्ट पाए जाते हैं. और बच्चों की पढ़ाई जो है वो प्राथमिकता नहीं रह जाती है. तो उनको ये समझना पड़ेगा कि बच्चों की पढ़ाई को पहले वो लोग प्राथमिकता दें और समय से स्कूल की फीस का पेमेंट करें. जैसे अगर स्कूल की फीस का पेमेंट होता रहता है तो बच्चों की सुविधाएं बढ़ती हैं, उनको बेटर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मिलता है, बेटर फैसिलिटी मिलती है, पढ़ाने के नए नए तरीके हम लेके आते हैं, नई नई टेक्नोलॉजी लेके आते हैं ताकि उनको ज़्यादा आसानी से कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आए. लेकिन अगर टाइमिंग फीस नहीं मिल पाएगी तो धीरे धीरे ये चीज़ें बंद होती जाएंगी और इससे नुकसान मतलब बच्चों का ही है. स्कूल का तो जो नुकसान है वो बच्चों का ज़्यादा नुकसान है. और हमारा तो प्रयास ये रहता ही है कि हम कम से कम संसाधन में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मतलब वर्क by making optimum utilization of resources will provide maximum benefit to students.
तो हमने सुना हमारे ट्रेजरर सर के ओपिनियन फॉर फाइनेंशियल प्लान. principal ma'am, Mrs. Priyanka Jain. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Lakshmi sir.
Ma'am, as you know, today is our open house and we are disclosing our P3 result. And my question is regarding our board examination. Ma'am, what is our strategy in board examination for better result?
Okay, that's very nice question. It is very important for the any school. The success of pre-board board examination, like the 10th and 12th result, it is very important for the any school. Okay, so according to your question, the board examination, it will be come on the month of March. It will be conducted on the month of March. So we are already started the some strategy about the for the board classes. Okay, so first we are doing that our class teacher completed the syllabus of all the syllabus, and after that they are taking the revision classes, mock tests, sample papers revisions, and one more thing that is an important thing for the meritorious students, we are started the alpha, beta and gamma. The students are divided in the 3 groups like that. The students, those are meritorious, they are regularly giving the exams, like 1 hour extra sample papers exam, mock test exams. So in that way we are maybe the students will get the result in the flying colors.
Thank you. As you listen how our ma'am explained what is the strategy, and my next question is, ma'am, how can we do away the student from exam stress, ma'am?
Okay, so it is this common point. Everyone has during the examination, everyone has the stress. So we are suggested and we are advised to the students. They are doing the yoga session. They are taking the proper healthy diet, sleeping clock, and a regular cycle, daily routine. They are following the good daily routine and good healthy diet. So that's the way. And other things is that the revision is the most important thing. The students, why the students are nervous? Why the students are take the stress? That is the important thing. So one more thing is that we should take the we should give the proper revision classes to the students, and in this way they build up the confidence level. So if the confidence level is up, then students not feel the nervousness and stress. Thank you.
Our in-charge principal ma'am explained very well how to take away the examination stress and how they can apply or how they can present an exam in full of confidence.